So in this video, I'm going to give you an overview of page builders. Page builders are an advanced feature that you add separately into WordPress, and they allow you to create complex page layouts like the one that you see here. So after the page builder has been installed, there's several different page builders like Elementor and Avada. I'm going to give you a tour of the Avada Page Builder. So when you click on Edit Page, the page will unlock and the page builder will kick in so that you have an option to edit the page. So with this page builder, what we have is containers, and within each container you have elements. So think of large boxes into which you put things. So if we go back to the top of the page, and this container, when you load it initially, doesn't have a name, but I'm going to give it a name just from a housekeeping point of view, so that as I scroll down the page, or maybe somebody else takes over control of your website, they will know what sections these refer to. So I'm going to go right down to the bottom, and I'm going to add in a new container. I must add in a container before I add in elements into the container. So these are all the different layouts that are possible for the container, and I'm going to pick this one-to-one, and it adds in the container. I think I'll add in a container for special offers. Now, next up, what I need to do is add in some elements, so some content into the container. If I click on elements, I think what I'll do is I'll add in a title element. And when the library opens here, these are all of the different things you can add in, like galleries and buttons and titles and text blocks and things like that. So there's quite a few, and every page builder is slightly different, but you'll see that this is the way to add in more complex content. So I want to add in a title that says special offers on now. And on each element that's loaded, there's always a number of tabs with different options. So this is the general options. These are the design options. So I want to center the header. I think I'll keep it at H1, which is a large header. And I could specifically select a font and a font size and a color image. But I've previously set that on the website settings, so I don't want to change that right now. So if I hit save, it'll add in this new element which says special offers. Okay, let's add in a text block. So if I scroll down the page and I find a text block, I can add that in saying special offer on now just before Christmas, don't miss out. And you can stylize that and put links, etc. in there. So I think what I'll do is I think I'll center that, and I can actually think I can do I'll do that via this tab, the center, and I hit save and it's centered that. Next up, I think I'll add in a gallery. So when I click on the elements, I'm going to click on gallery, and then you can add in images one by one, or I can do a bulk upload. So if I select a number of images over here on the right, I can say, yeah, I want to do that one, that one, that one, because they were previously loaded. If I insert into the page, it now is letting me know that I have 4 images. And then on the design tab, I've got an option to tell the system how to lay those images out in the gallery. So I think I'll have 4 columns because I've got 4 images. Okay, I hit save and then I hit update. And what that'll do is it will add in that new section into the page. So I've just done that, and if I click on new page or view page and I scroll down, I'll see that new section, and there it is right there. So there's special offers, and then there's a gallery section in below. So that's the core elements of how to use a page builder and to add in more sophisticated elements on the page. There's quite a range of elements that are available there, and if I want to move them around, all I have to do is drag and drop them. That's the primary benefit of having a page builder. It allows you, without any coding or anything, to change the order of elements and add in new elements. So to add in a new sections like that, you click on add container. If I wanted 2 columns or 3 columns, I click on this little columns box and I click there, and all of a sudden now I've got 3 columns that I can add text or buttons or whatever I need to add in. If I want to get rid of the container, all I do is I move up here to the right hand corner, I click on the delete container, and it will instantly delete everything that's there. So that's an overview of using a page builder with containers and elements.